Hello everyone. Today is 30th of March 2019. Let's have a look gold. And this is a week monthly chart. Let's have a look monthly chart first. This is a really good kind of formation. And today is 30, so from the Monday will be the next month's candle open here. And we're looking to sell gold. Have a look weekly chart. So next week, if the gold price break down 1290 here, break and then close, then we start sell. But from next week, I'm looking for the price go back to here 1303 or mostly 1310. But I think most probably like just here 1303. We can start sell from here. Yeah, start selling from here. And I'm looking. I mean, there's still another upside, small upside, because we talk about US dollar from last video. There is uptrend clearly. Where uptrend? Yeah. So next week should be a little bit down again, maybe here. Yeah, and then it's heading up. So for the gold, we just wait, maybe 1300 here or 1300 1302 when we're starting sell. And I'm looking. I think it should be done to for the long picture for the next 2-3 months. It should be done to 1225 or something like that, like 1240, 1230, something like that. So we can start sell gold from next week.